welcome back. In this video, this is part 6 of our newborn photo editing work series that we're giving for free. Please like and subscribe to help grow this channel. So again, this is Doc Ian from NAP, Newborn Academy for Photographer Philippines, wherein we give workshops here in the Philippines. Okay, of course, it's a paid workshop for those of you who are interested to learn safe and effective newborn photography. All right, so with that being said, this video I'll teach you how to make that perfect round wrap for your babies. Of course, the best way to make the perfect round wrap is to do it before taking the picture. Your wrap should be as good and as perfect as possible. But if in case, for example, the baby is difficult to wrap and you've secured the wrap well and it's not perfect, there's a way to get this right in Photoshop. So we open this image here. Okay, so again, I'll show you how to correct these edges over here, and I have done that in part 3 or part 4 of the video, if I'm not mistaken, of the video series. Please look at the playlist and do watch if you're interested to learn. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, okay, so again, this is about making that wrap perfect and circle, but let's just grab our quick clone stamp tool and press Alt. And oops, okay, my saturation is at 50%. Let's do it at 100. Okay, and just fix the edges so that our obsessive compulsive selves will be happy. All right, and here we go. All right, so what I want to do is to create a duplicate layer by hitting Command J, okay, and to do the liquify tool. So it's in filter liquify. The shortcut is Shift Command X, right? So Shift Command X, okay. And here in the liquify tool, we will use the forward warp tool. So this is the forward warp tool, and we will just warp it little by little. So the technique here is to nudge it little by little. You don't go all the way like that. It's going to look fake. Okay, and adjust the size of your brush. Okay, the shortcut again is the bracket, the open and close bracket on your keyboard. And adjust the size of your brush depending on the area that you're trying to nudge. Okay, so nudge it very, very slowly, okay, until we get that perfect roundedness that you've been wanting to, and that perfect roundedness that separates a newbie from that of an skilled and old-time professional newborn photographer. All right, and so just press OK, and there you have it. There you have it, from imperfect wrap to a more quote-unquote perfect wrap. And that's what I like about using the fur. Your nudging is not that obvious, okay, as compared if you don't use a fur. All right, so that's it for this quick video. I hope you find this useful. All right.